Hey y'all, so I'm just home from work and I decided because we're going on vacation tomorrow, I would harvest my potatoes. I have learned a lot from trying potatoes this year and I'm really excited to show you what I got. So here we go. So this is the mess that I made. This is the grass that refuses to grow in. And over here, and these are my potatoes. Okay, I'm really excited about this because first of all, these right here are store-bought potatoes and I was pretty positive I wasn't gonna get anything at all. But I actually got so many. And these over here are I believe it's Adirondack Blue Adirondack. I don't know, I'll flash it up on the screen. And they were supposed to be finished before the store-bought potatoes and they took forever. Like, I know there's a small variety. Oh, look, I gotta eat that now. They're a small variety, but this is a very small harvest for them, for how many seed potatoes I actually got. So these are also pretty small, but I got some, they're like a good size for my first one. And yes, I did pick all of these little ones out because I'm greedy and I want all of my potatoes. So what I have learned is that one, I have zero patience. I've been wanting to harvest these potatoes since like the day I saw them sprouting. If I could show a little patience, I feel like my potatoes would have been much bigger, but what can I say? I am who I am. And two, what's the second thing I learned? And two, I learned that just because the foliage starts wilting a little bit doesn't mean the potatoes are done. So I wanted to harvest them already, and then I came out here and I saw the foliage was like very wilted, and I was like,
well, that's just a sign. Harvest them, girl.
and they're like very small. So I grew my potatoes in these grow bags. They have a little pocket in the front so you can open it and check on your potatoes. I liked them. I might go a little bigger next year. You can't see anything when you open the pocket, so I don't really think that that was helpful at all. And I just dumped them out onto this tarp and went wild searching through them. Potatoes sitting on burlap just so the skin can just kind of form a little bit and toughen up. So the ones that the skin has torn or bruised, we'll be eating those first, obviously, because they will not store properly. Okay, so that's all. Just wanted to show you my potato success because I think it was a raging success. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.